As you could tell, people, had my fucking Sony BDV N7200W turned up to the fucking max, yeah? And all those people that tell you that ain't loud, fuck me, mate. You can fucking hear that that's loud, can't ya? Yeah? I'm giving the system a good fucking kicking tonight, boys. Yeah? Right? So anybody that tells you the speaker breaks, fucking the system ain't loud, don't listen to them, mate. Well worth the money. The fucking system is smashing the flat apart, yeah? Don't know if you can see this. No, you probably ain't gonna be able to see it, mate. Puts cracks in the walls, boys, yeah? Puts cracks in the walls. So don't be put off by people that tell you that ain't loud, because it is. Right? And anybody that tells you they got it as well, and they say their tweet is fucked and it's giving you distortion or something like that, I can guarantee you that I've pushed it hard tonight, right? We're going on nearly 5-6 hours now of full blast music from YouTube, and also that I've actually had it for 2 weeks anyway, so this ain't the first time, but the first time, I suppose, that I've had it going this loud for this long. The speakers are fine, mate. Don't be put off by anybody that says, oh, they break easy. They're fine. I just thought I'd clear that up, and hope you get yourselves one, because it's a fucking good system. I will actually say now 10 out of 10 looks, 10 out of 10 sound, There's nothing better than this for some home entertainment and sound. It's the Sony BDV N7200W. Go cop yourself one now. Bless.